So I'm printing from SD. We're getting near the temperature, we overshot a little. So when it gets below 210 and reaches 210 again, it should start working. And I should say I homed the printer before from the SD, or from the control panel. And so it already knows where it is, but it should do a G28 first, and then a G29 auto bed leveling, and then start printing. So that's what it should do. We're almost back on temperature. We're below with 209. Here we go. It moves away a bit. X level, X home, Y homed, move away, and then it moves away again, and it moves away again, and it keeps moving away, and then it thinks it homed, but it didn't. And there, it's also thinking it did something, but it didn't. And then it just starts printing, which in itself is pretty funny, but it's doing that in midair, so I don't like it. Any idea? Please let me know.